Hello student. Today I am going to take one of important question from alternating current for NEET 2021 or JEE 2021. The question is that a virtual current of 4 ampere and 50 hertz flow in an AC circuit containing a coil. The power consumed in the coil is 240 watt. If the virtual voltage across the coil is 100 volt, then what is the inductance? A very good question. Then given data is the current is 4 ampere, that current is the RMS current and the frequency is 50 hertz and the voltage is 100. This voltage is given in the RMS voltage. Now given data is VRMS is equal to 100 volt, IRMS is equal to 4 ampere. Considered a LC circuit, LR circuit. L in inductance and R is the resistance. We have to find the value of L. Now we have power is equal to 240 watt. This power in the watt, and the watt this power is only consumed due to resistor. This power is only due to resistor. So then power can be written as power IRMS square into R. Then R is equal to P divided by IRMS square. Then P is equal to 240 and I is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 15 ohm. And the impedance we know that the VRMS and IRMS. VRMS is given as 100 volt and IRMS 4 ampere, that is equal to 25 ohm. Now reactance, that is X. We know that X is equal to under root Z square minus R square. Z square means 25 square minus 20 square, that is equal to 625 minus, this is 15 square, 225, that is equal to under root 400, that is equal to 20 ohm. Now we have to find the value L. We know that XL is equal to 1 upon 2 pi f into L, and L is equal to x upon 2 pi f, or x here 20 and 2 pi into 50. The 50 is the frequency given in the question. Now L inductance is equal to 1 upon 5 pi Henry. This is the answer. Then many of the students have a confusion. Then the power is equal to VRMS into IRMS cos phi. This equation is also a correct equation, but we haven't the power factor, so that we can't calculate power from that equation. We have a power, then we can also find the power factor. Then many of the examiner can ask what is the power factor for this question. Then the power factor is equal to cos phi, and the cos phi power factor is equal to V power upon VRMS into IRMS, and power is equal to 240. V is 100 into 4, that is equal to 0.6 power factor. This circuit is LR circuit, so that we can write as that this power factor is a lagging power factor. Then many of the students have want to know about this is the power and the what is the wattless power. A very good question. What is the wattless power? Wattless power. This power is also known as reactive power. What? Reactive power. We all know that the wattless power or reactive power, wattless power is equal to Vrms Irms into sine of phi. We have cos of phi, so we can calculate the sine of phi. Then sine of phi is equal to under root 1 minus cos square of phi 1 minus 0.6 square, that is equal to 0.8. Then we have to calculate wattless power is equal to 100 into 4 into 0.8, that is equal to 320. Then one of the most important question is that what is the unit of wattless power? The unit of wattless power is equal to VAR. This is the one of the most important question. In this question we have learned about how to get the reactance value, how to get inductance value, how to get power factor, how to get wattless power. If anybody can ask what is the phase, then you can also find the phase. Phase is equal to phi is equal to cos inverse 0.6. Then thank you very much. We will proceed for the next question in this series, concept through numerical. For thank you very much.